Santee Summer Day Camp is a great place for youth to make new friends, learn new skills, and stay active. The theme for Week 8 was Animal Encounters. Campers had the chance to meet working therapy dogs and learn all about the different tasks they were able to perform, as well as lots of unique animals they were able to touch and see in action.
Good girl.
I used to work at a place called the San Diego Zoo. Have you guys ever been there?
Yeah.
Nice. Who loves animals? You guys love animals? Me too. Do you guys want to touch the animals?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at this. She's got a freaky body. Maybe she could do a little dance. Okay? Scientists give them a scientific name. Want to know what it means? It means stinky little thief. What? They are crazy hunters. This is the top predator, you guys. They're vicious hunters. Are you terrified? What's better than one parent? They're actually best friends, you guys, and roommates, and they constantly play. This is Piper. the most hairs per follicle of any land mammal. Thank you so much for having me at camp. Did you like my animals?
Yes!